Hi! This video is a little bit different than our usual videos because I'm not really going to give you some amazing content, but what I am going to do is say thank you, okay? It is you and clients like you who have really helped us to make a huge impact in the learning and development industry. We've changed organizational cultures. We've developed people through their organizations. I mean, that's one of our missions, is that, we literally help to develop individual people who would never otherwise seek to elevate themselves, but we develop them through their organizations. And of course, their organizations are benefiting because they have more excited, more passionate, happier individuals. And so because of the different programs and because of you, our clients, we have achieved a very well, we've done pretty well as a global organization, and also myself for the keynote speaking and the coaching that I do with different organizations. I'm also very grateful and thank you. But there's something else, okay? Because you guys have been making a difference in the lives of us and the people in our organization and our over 500 licensed different directive communication trainers around the world. And so we are now, anytime that any directive communication psychology program is done, so whether you do the complete leadership development program, the Hero's Way, or whether you do engagement through work gamification initiative, or whether you do a program on developing innovation, or even if you do a keynote, okay, DCI is going to give 1,000 children an opportunity to go to school. So we're going to give 1,000 children school supplies so that they will be able to go to school. That's for each one. So that means that anytime in the future, the next time you hire us for whatever it is that you need, you are going to be making a difference. You are going to be making a difference in the lives of 1,000 children. So we want to make sure that this is all above board and everything else. So we've teamed up with an organization called B1G1, which essentially gives 100% of all of this to the organizations that make it happen. And of course, these are all like set up and make sure that they're all legit and have the systems in place so that none of the money suddenly goes somewhere else. Okay, so rest assured, okay, for the next year, okay, 2020, okay, and of course we're going to do something even better beyond, right? Okay, but for the next year, your any programs that you do that are going to help your people to develop their skills, their competencies, their engagement, and to be better leaders, to, well, even if on a coaching level, when I'm personally involved for senior management, whatever it is, okay, you're going to be making a difference. So thank you. And okay, in the future, you'll have thousands of other people to thank you too. This is Arthur Carmazzi, wishing you great success.